Sapphire Kingdom Gemology. This is our English medium YouTube channel. In this channel, lesson number 83 is starting from now. In this video, we are learning natural ruby inclusions from Mogok and Namya in Myanmar. Please see the cover photo. There are two pictures here together. We are learning inside the lesson. Please subscribe the channel and give like and share, and please type a comment. Now we are moving to the lesson. We will learn about ruby inclusions in the Mogok and Namya mines of Myanmar. Mogok and Namya are the famous mines in Myanmar. Myanmar is the new name. You know Myanmar. So this is the new name. Old name we are not using now. Join us, learn well, join the gem business and enrich your future. Please subscribe, give a like and share to your old friends and relatives. We are moving. This is the Mogok ruby. In this Mogok ruby, calcite crystal is here. This is a calcite crystal as inclusion. In this Mogok ruby, you can see the calcite crystal inclusion inside the ruby. Mogok ruby is very good color. What is this? Bohemite. Bohemite needle is here. Bohemite needle with stellite, satellite secondary feathers. These are the secondary feathers in an unheated ruby from Mogok. This is Bohemite needle. This is called Bohemite needle. Remember this, it is very easy. Earlier we saw this kind of feathers. Earlier also we saw. What's here? It is two-phase inclusion. Two-phase means liquid, gas. All the objects are in three phases inside the earth. Liquid, gas, and the solid. Solid phase. We know, everybody we know solid phases. But the gas and liquid phase is no shape. No shape. But the solid phase is with the shape. So the two-phase inclusions means liquid and gas. What are the liquids and gas inside the gems? There are two, carbon dioxide gas or liquid. H2O, water gas or liquid. There are two. Two-phase inclusion in the unheated ruby from Mogok. These are the two-phase inclusion. Sometimes inside this inclusion, there may be gas or liquid. Very small inclusions. We are moving to next. A series of elongated and rounded transparent inclusions. Look at those inclusions. All the inclusions here are transparent. We can see in between the inclusion. The backside we can see. So that is called transparent. There are three words: transparent, translucent, and opaque. If it is a gem quality gem, it must be transparent. If it is translucent, we can cut it as cabochon. If it is opaque, we don't use it as gem. So a series of elongated, rounded, transparent inclusions in a ruby from Mogok. Now you can understand this. It is natural. What is this? See, all the inclusions here, we can see it is rounded and transparent. These are not two-phase inclusions. It is solid inclusions. You can remember there are three phases inside the matter: solid, liquid, gas. But this is solid, not a gas. And look at the first one. Two-phase inclusions here. Liquid and gas inclusions here. But here, it is solid inclusions. This is a solid inclusion in an unheated Mogok ruby. It is solid. This is liquid and gas. See the difference. There are three phases in matter. Out of that, gas and liquid phase inclusions are here, and the solid inclusions are here. Now we are moving to next. Here, it is natural ruby. You can identify this as silk, 60 degrees and 120 degrees angle. Can you remember? So silk nest is here. It is unheated ruby. So we can see it is unheated ruby. Nothing happened by the heat. Silk nest in an unheated ruby from Mogok. What is this? These rubies are not in Mogok, but not Mogok, it is Namya. From here we are discussing the Namya rubies. Same in Burma, Myanmar. Look at these enclosures well. Oriented, rutile needle enclosures we can see. Elongated rutile needles. It gives us the evidence it is not heated. It is natural. See the rutile needles. See the angles, 120 degrees angle. And the parallel lines. Oriented rutile needle inclusions in Namya ruby. What is it? Fluid feathers. All are feathers with isolated negative tubes. All the negative tubes. Inside these negative tubes, there is a fluid. Maybe H2O or CO2. H2O or CO2. Only two. So fluid feathers. These feathers are full of fluid. Liquid state of the matter. We are moving to next. Here we can see various shapes. Various shapes inclusions. Arrangements are here. It also Namya ruby. This one, it is not liquid or gas inclusion. Two-phase inclusions, not two-phase inclusions. It is solid inclusions of various shapes, isolated and clustered. All the solid inclusions are clustered together. It is Namya natural ruby. What is here? Rutile needles and solid inclusions. Here, these are the rutile needles, and here they are solid inclusions. Various shapes are there. All together clustered. So it gives us the evidence it is natural ruby. Mogok ruby. Burma ruby. Not Mogok, Namya ruby. What is this? See the inclusion here. Rutile needles also we can see, and solid inclusions here. Solid inclusions, rutile needles of various shapes and isolated and clustered together. See, it is natural ruby. Let's learn and remember the entries in Vietnamese rubies in the next lesson. The L84, lesson number 84, we are discussing the Vietnamese rubies. Join us, learn well, join the gem business and enrich your future. Please subscribe, give like and share to your all friends.